What if I told you the video that you're watching now wasn't filmed with a camera?
Why would you prompt me on a deserted island in the middle of the Pacific Ocean? This prompt wouldn't make me float away.
Look at what you've done to me. You could have made the prompt say I was healthy at least.
Prompt again? Last time I had crab claws.
In fact, every video clips you're about to see was created in under 10 seconds using nothing but text. Welcome to Veo3, Google's latest AI video generator that just changed the game by adding native audio generation. And by the end of this video, I will show you exactly how to use it, how it can transform your business, and 3 proven ways to make money with it. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Kay. I've been making knowledge sharing videos about AI and business related tools so that you can also learn to stay updated to the latest tools. Today, let's dive into one of the most popular and trending AI video generation tool called Veo3. First of all, what is Veo3? Veo3 is the latest AI video generator that's just changed the game by adding native audio generation.
This is Charlotte Reed reporting live from Clearwater Beach.
Among all the AI video generation tools, Veo3 is one of the most amazing and the first tools that can add realistic native audio and the background music just by entering a prompt. Let me show you how I did it with Veo3 and how you can do it too. If there's any tools that you want me to test, let me know in the comments down below. And in this video, you're about to see what you can do with Veo3. This video is not intended for people to create fake news, to hurt anyone or anything, nor to create with bad intention. The only purpose of this video is to help business owners and content creators to be able to create high quality contents without high cost. You can also check out my other videos about AI tools that actually helps you in content creation and in your business as well. So if you're ready, let's dive in. First, let's talk about what makes Veo3 different from every other AI video generation tool that you have tried. Veo3 is Google DeepMind's 3rd generation video AI model, and here's what's revolutionary. It generates videos with synchronized audio, dialogue, sound effects.
Me and Ken broke up, so you know what that means. New hair. And once you change your hair, you don't go back.
Ambient noise, all from your test prompt, so no more silent videos. Number 2, it produces up to 4K resolution output. Most competitors cap at 1080 pixels. And number 3, physics simulation. Water flows realistically, fabric moves naturally, and gravity actually works. Number 4, it understands cinematic language. Tell it you want a Dutch angle low light tracking shot, and it knows what you mean. The current public version generates 8-second clips at 720 pixels or at 1080 pixels, but trust me, that's all you need for most content. But here's something that I have to tell you. Veo3 is not a free tool. You might have to pick a plan if you want to start creating. The pricing for Veo3 is $20 per month, but you can start using it for the first month without any cost. So I'm gonna link it down below. You can start creating Veo3 without paying upfront. Anyways, I just wanted to add that. Now let's dive into the video. Alright, let's actually use this thing. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to access Veo3, and then we're going to create our first video together. Option 1, Gemini App. This is the fastest way. If you have Google AI Pro or Ultra subscription, open Gemini, tap the video button, and you're ready to go. This is best for quick content. Sites like Leonardo AI, Imagine Ad, or Higgsfield offer Veo3 access starting around $10 per month with more creative controls. Option 3, Google Flow. This is the pro tool for longer projects with storyboarding features. Currently, this is in limited access. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Leonardo AI because it gives the best balance of features and affordability. Here's the key to great results, which is specific prompts. Let me show you the difference. A bad prompt is a woman in a coffee shop. A good prompt is a medium shot of a young woman in her 30s with curly brown hair wearing a cozy sweater sitting by a rain-streaked window in a dimly lit coffee shop. Slow sip from her latte as soft jazz plays in the background. The camera slowly pushes in on her contemplative expression, audio, gentle rain, distant cafe chatter, smooth jazz piano. See the difference? Specificity is everything. Now, here are the elements of a perfect Veo3 prompt. Number 1, shot type. Wide shot, medium shot, close-up, tracking shot, etc. Number 2, subject details. Age, appearance, clothing, expression. Number 3, environment. Lighting, atmosphere, setting details. Number 4, camera movement, static, zoom, pan, dolly, crane. Number 5, audio description. Separate your audio instructions with audio, followed by specific sounds. Let me give you my actual workflow. I'm going to create a product showcase video for a fictional coffee brand. Here is the prompt. A cinematic close-up product shot of a premium coffee bag on a rusted wooden table, morning golden hour light streaming through a nearby window, creating dramatic shadows. The camera slowly opens the product in 180-degree arc, revealing the label details. Whiffs of steam rise from a coffee cup in the background, slightly out of focus. Audio, soft acoustic guitar, gentle morning birds chirping, the subtle sound of coffee being poured. The physics of the steam, the realistic lighting, and the audio is all synchronized perfectly. This single 8-second clip would have taken hours to film and edit it traditionally, but we did it in 1 minute. Now, let me show you 3 advanced tricks that will make your videos look professional. You can upload a reference image as your starting frame. This is huge for brand consistency. I'm uploading this static product shot and telling Veo3 animate this image with a camera, slowly pulling back to reveal a lifestyle context, mounting landscape background, audio, uplifting orchestral. So this is perfect for turning static product photos into dynamic acts. So now we're gonna add a few more details and change it up a little bit to see what we can do to make it the best. For example, cinematic for Hollywood look, documentary style for raw, authentic feel, anime style or pixel style for animation, vintage film grain, 1970s aesthetics for retro. These style tags dramatically change the output. The 8-second limit seems restrictive, but think in sequences. Generate 5 to 6 related clips with consistent descriptions, then stitch them together in your editor. Keep character descriptions identical across prompts for consistency. Okay, this is where it gets really interesting. Let me show you how different businesses are using Veo3 right now. Product demonstration videos without expensive photo shoots. Generate lifestyle content showing your product in use. Create seasonal campaigns in minutes. B-roll is the obvious one. These cinematic establishing shots, texture clips, nature senses. But here's the clever use, which is video memes. Here's how coaches and educators can use Veo3 for the best advantages. Bring abstract concepts to life visually. Create scenario-based examples for your courses. Generate testimonial-style videos with disclaimers, of course. Make your presentations cinematic. Create testimonial-style videos with disclaimers, of course. And for agency and freelancer, rapid prototyping for client presentations. Generate concept videos before expensive production, create social media content at scale, offer AI-enhanced video packages as a service. To give you an example, a digital marketing agency added Veo3 services and now charges $500 to $1,500 per client for monthly video content packages. They generate 30 to 50 videos per month with just 5 hours of work. This is for agency and freelancers. Here's what you really want to know: how to actually make money with this. Platforms like Pond5, Adobe Stock, and Shutterstock now accept AI-generated content with proper disclosures. Here's the strategy. Generate high-demand categories: nature, technology, business, lifestyle. Create sets of related clips, 10 to 15 clips around one thing. Upload with keyword-rich description, price competitively. And method 2, social media content agency. This is my favorite business model. Small businesses desperately need video content but can't afford traditional production. If you offer 30 custom videos per month for $997, your cost is only 10 hours of work with Veo 3. Then your profit will be $800 per client after the tool costs. Method 3. YouTube automation and faceless channels. This is controversial but profitable. Faceless YouTube channel using 100% AI content. So before we wrap up, here are the things that they won't tell you. Look, I'll be real with you. Veo 3 is not perfect. It's not going to replace cinematic videographers or makes everyone lose jobs overnight. This is not gonna happen. But what it does do is democratize video creation in a way we have never seen. A year ago, these videos would have required expensive camera equipments, location permits, actors and crew, and hours of editing. Now, it can be just done in a few seconds or in a few minutes. Whether you're a business owner who needs content, a creator who wants better B-rolls, or an entrepreneur who is looking for a new income with Veo 3, looking for a new income stream, Veo 3 is a tool worth mastering now while it's still early. And I'm gonna give you a little homework. Choose one platform and create your first 10 videos this week. Pick one business application that fits your goals. Study cinematography basics. It makes all the difference. Then if you want to dive deeper, I've created a free Veo 3 prompt library with 100+ proven prompts that you can swipe. Link in the description. If this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more free AI content creation tutorials, and drop a comment telling me what you're going to create with Veo 3. And I also give services for people or for business owners who want to discuss how to create content using the AI tool. I'm gonna link the form down below in the description. So if you want to take a consultation, you can also go through the description and book a call with me. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more educational videos in AI industry and business industry. Thanks for watching. Until the next video. Bye.